Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this is the sandwich I make almost every single day, and people always ask me what's in it. It only takes a handful of ingredients, but the result is honestly unbelievable. Trust me, you need to see both of these. Today I'm showing you two versions, one in the air fryer, one on the stovetop, and they're both ready in minutes. Step 1, let's start with the air fryer version. Grab 2 slices of sandwich bread and line your tray with parchment paper. Lay the bread right down on the tray nice and flat so it toasts evenly in the air fryer. Take 1 tablespoon of ketchup and spread it evenly across each slice of bread. This is your flavour base. Crack 2 eggs into a mixing bowl. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Whisk that together real good until it's smooth and a little frothy on top. Now, dice up 1 whole tomato into small cubes. Look at that colour, so fresh and juicy already. Slice 2 sausages into thin rounds. I like mine a little thin, so they crisp up nicely on top. Toss in your diced tomato and sliced sausage right into the egg mixture. Give it a quick stir. Add about 100 grams or 3½ ounces of shredded sulaguni or mozzarella cheese. Sprinkle in some fresh chopped parsley for that herby finish. It makes such a difference. Mix everything together with a spoon until it's fully combined into one creamy mixture. Now spoon that mixture generously on top of your ketchup-covered bread. Spread it evenly to the edges. You want every bite to have a little bit of everything, so don't be shy with the topping. Pop your tray into the air fryer at 140 degrees Celsius for 16 minutes. While that's cooking, the smell alone is going to drive you crazy, I promise you that. Look at that. The cheese is bubbling, the egg is golden, and the top is perfectly toasted. Oh man, look at that cheese pool right there. This is basically breakfast and lunch in one bite. Let it cool for just a minute before you slice it, so everything sets and holds together nicely. Quick question for you. Are you team air fryer or team stovetop? Drop your answer in the comments below. Step 2, now here's version 2, and honestly, this one might be even faster than the first one. No air fryer needed this time, just a non-stick pan with a lid, and you're done in about 5 minutes. Cut 2 slices of bread into small 2 cm or about 3/4 inch cubes. We're basically turning toast into little croutons, and trust me, it works so well here. Melt 1 tablespoon of ghee in your pan over medium heat until it's fully melted and shimmering. Toss in your bread cubes and stir them around so every side gets golden and crispy. Then turn off the heat. Next, crack 4 eggs into a bowl with salt and pepper and whisk it until smooth. Now add the chopped green onion into the bowl and whisk it together until evenly distributed through the egg mixture. Turn the heat back on, then pour the egg mixture into the pan with your golden bread cubes. Make sure the egg seeps down between all those crispy little bread cubes evenly and fully. Sprinkle shredded mozzarella generously across the entire surface of the pan, edge to edge. Now layer halved cherry tomatoes on top, cut side facing up until the whole surface is covered. Cover the pan with a lid and cook on low heat for 3 to 5 minutes, no peeking too early. I'm telling you, the smell coming from under that lid is going to be absolutely incredible. Look at that. The egg has set, the cheese has melted completely, and the bottom is golden brown. Carefully slide it out of the pan and onto a serving plate using a silicone spatula. So tell me, which one are you trying first? The air fryer version or the stovetop pizza sandwich? And here's a question for the comments. Would you add bacon or keep it simple with just sausage like I did? If this saved you some time in the kitchen this week, go ahead and give this video a like right now. And if you want more quick breakfast hacks just like this one, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next one. I've got another game-changing recipe coming up very soon, and trust me, you're going to want to see it. Seriously, it might just be my new favourite. See you in the next video.